Today we want to learn how advanced filters work in Excel, especially between conditions. So we have our data set and we write advanced filters condition in cells. We need header and condition for this header. When we write conditions in one row, it means that those conditions are connected with end word and condition criteria. So each of these conditions should be met to take out the row from our data set. When we add conditions in the next rows, it is as a OR condition. So we're looking for strawberries or for plums. And for between condition, we have to write the header for the numbers, in most cases, 2 times to create common parts. So we are looking for strawberries, sales of strawberries that are equal or greater than 500 and smaller or equal to 750. And in case of plums, we want greater or equal than 300 and smaller than 500. And we have to remember that those conditions should make common part. So if when I change 300 to 600, there's no common part for those conditions. So Ctrl Z, and we can now go with advanced filters. So select one cell in our data set, data tab, advanced filters. We have filter list range correctly. We want to copy it in another location, and we want to go to criteria and we want to select those criteria. So once again, when conditions are in one row, they combine as AND. They have to be together. If conditions are in the separate rows, it combines as OR. So this row condition or this row condition. And we can add even empty conditions for different columns, different headers. When we have empty cells, it means any cell is good for us. So in our case, we can select as a criteria range A2 to D4, or because we don't add any condition to the date column, just A2 to C4, and we want to copy our result to E6 and can now press OK. So we find sales of plums from 300 to 500 and sales for strawberries from 500 to 750, and we can see those numbers and we can see all possible dates for those conditions we write.